What's up everyone, it's Shelby again. Today we are going to go ahead and install my Hyperblink module because I've been putting it off for a fat minute. Taillights have been on there for quite a while and I'm just honestly tired of hearing the Hyperblink. So we're about to head outside and go and do that right now.
Hey guys. It's me, Young Saji. It's a lovely day, in the studio, whipping it up. Just chilling with my homeboy Mattathias. About to spit this is Mistakenly Uncovered. You're gonna enjoy it because I said so.
Alright guys, so I did have a little issue with my mic. It came unplugged while I was recording. So these next few videos I'm just going to do a voiceover of what I was really saying in the video. Next time I might really just not even use the mic because I don't really see too big of a difference between the mic and no mic. I really just need to invest in a better one. But also, while I am here, I would like to say that I am sincerely sorry for not posting the past 2 Saturdays because I have been trying to post every Saturday. I ended up going to Destin and then I recorded, but it's just my content wasn't really lined up. It was just a bunch of random stuff, and to me it just didn't come together to make a decent video, so I decided not to post it. I'm sorry you missed the Destin content, but I'll probably end up going to Destin again because it's not far. But I will make it up to you guys since it's 2 Saturdays that I haven't posted. So I'll definitely try to bring some more content this week. So stay tuned. Also, I'm going to leave a link in the description to the music that I have in this video. It's a young aspiring artist that goes by the name of Young Saji. He's actually my younger cousin. So if y'all do like his music, go ahead and click the link below and check him out on SoundCloud. But yeah, back to the video. I'm going to do a voiceover of what I was trying to say. Alright, so here's the Hyperblink module that I need. It's going to replace the OEM module that I currently have in my car, and it's going to help get rid of the Hyperblink issue that I'm currently having. For this install, I will need a screwdriver because after I get into this little panel right here, there's going to be 2 screws that I'll need to take out so that I can unclip the panel. If you are experiencing the same issue, you can get this Hyperblink module from FT86 Speed Factory for about $12 or $13. So if you do need this module, go ahead and hit up FT86 Speed Factory and they'll get you set right. Alright, so before I get started with the install, I just want to show you guys what my Hyperblink currently looks like if you did not see my previous video. So this is only on the right side with my right turn signal. I'm going to go ahead and show you guys the front right turn signal. And as you can see, it is hyperblinking. And then I'm going to go ahead and show you guys the rear. And as you can see, the rear turn signal, it's sequencing, but it's not sequencing all the way down because of the hyperblink issue. So once I install the module, it's going to stop hyperblinking and it's going to sequence all the way down. For the first step of the install, you will need to access this panel right here. So first you're going to have to remove this little trim piece, which for me, it wasn't too hard because I already did it before when I first attempted to install the Hyperblink module, and I just ended up rage quitting, so don't rage quit like I did. You won't need to pull the top piece like I'm trying to do now. I don't know why I was doing that. At the bottom corner, the panel will kind of clip up just like that, and once you pull the panel up, if I can ever do it, you're gonna see 2 screws, and those 2 screws are just gonna go ahead and come out, and that's gonna let you clip apart the panel, which you will see in just a second. I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys where the OEM module is gonna come out from. It's gonna come from this little white pin that you see back there. I'm gonna shine my light on it. That is where the OEM module comes from. It's going to unplug from there. It may take a while to pull out, but it will eventually come out. This is the OEM module that I have in my hand right now, and it's going to take a while to pull down from that pin, but it eventually will come out, it's mounted to the top, so you just kind of have to tug it a little bit. This is the new module that I'm going to put in there, and it's just going to clip straight into that little plug that you see back there. Now that I have installed the new Hyperblink module, I'm going to go and show y'all what it looks like. So this little box that you see back there, that is the new module. I was not able to mount it because I pulled out the mount from the old one and I couldn't figure out how to take it out without just pulling out the whole thing. So I'm just going to leave it hanging. It looks pretty sturdy, so I'm just going to leave it like it is and it should be fine. After you've installed the Hyperblink module, the first thing that you have to do is make sure that you clip the under panel back together. And what I would do is start from the right side. If you took the whole right side off, clip the right side in first and work your way over.
I could crip walk to this. Now they say the blacker the berry, the sweeter the juice. But that's for berries right now. I'm liking the juice from the fruit, melon, the lemon, the lime. It doesn't matter, she cool. And this is talking, walking, that just got me in a good mood. And you know, yeah, she a baddie, it's sticky, staying on my mind. Damn, she really got me tripping. Trying to speak my mind, got me sounding mad special. So I gotta take the time just to get this on my thoughts when I am around her. Feeling happy cause legit, I think I might have found her. Oh, shit was rock bottom like a flounder. Now I'm up soaring, fuck with everything about her. Calm thoughts when I am around her. Feeling euphoria cause legit, I might have found her. Oh shit, Miss Sticky, she is bound to hear this, maybe know I fuck with everything about her. Can't think straight, so I spit to get them out. Feelings and everything I'm thinking spill out the spout. Thinking to myself how I feel for her, damn no doubt. Talking to her, chill as fuck, so maybe hang around. Saw her just a while ago, I think I might have found someone funny, chill about it, Mystique, I hope she down. Fuck the bullshit, yeah, I know a lot shit could go wrong, but like they say, you only live once, and damn, I'm feeling strong. Yeah. Calm thoughts when I am around her. Feeling happy cause legit, I think I might have found her. Oh, shit was rock bottom like a flounder. Now I'm up soaring, fuck with everything about her. Calm thoughts when I am around her. Feeling euphoria cause legit, I might have found her. Oh shit, Miss Sticky, she is bound to.
Alright everybody, that's it for today. Stay tuned, I am going to post another video to make up for the content that I haven't posted. If y'all have any questions, just let me know in the comments below. It's really one of those things where after you watch a video tutorial, you just kind of have to really get your hands in there and figure out how to take it out, because it's not easy to take out, especially if your hands are larger than mine. So, anyway, thank you guys for watching. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see y'all in the next one.
With my boy Matthias, and you know we be weird. With my boy Matthias, and you know I'm a real nigga, chillin' with my figure. I give a fuck about, but you know what I am. Calm thoughts when I am around her. Feeling happy cause legit, I think I might have found her. Oh shit, was rock bottom like a flounder. Now I'm up soaring, fuck with everything about her. Calm thoughts when I am around her. Feeling euphoria cause legit, I might have found her. Oh shit, Miss Sticky, she is bound to hear this, maybe know I fuck with everything about her.